Welcome to your first 6 weeks curriculum check. You may pause and play this video and rewind this video as many times as necessary in order to receive oral administration of your test. Let's begin. Number 1. Which of these numbers multiplied by 1/2 results in a number greater than 1/2? A. 3/4, B. 6/5, C. 8/9, D. 0. Number 2. Let x denote the number 1/2. Let I be the set of integers, and let R be the set of rational numbers. Which diagram best shows how x, I, and R are related? Number 3. Which of the following lists the numbers is in order from least to greatest? A. 8/9, 9/10, 10/11, 11/12. B. 11/12, 10/11, 9/10, 8/9. C. 9/10, 10/11, 11/12, 8/9. D. 8/9, 9/10, 11/12, 10/11. Number 4. The diagram below is a visual representation of the set of positive and negative whole numbers. Which statement is true? F. The left side of the diagram represents the set of integers. G. The left side of the diagram represents the set of negative integers. H. The right side of the diagram represents the set of integers. J. The right side of the diagram represents the set of positive integers. Number 5. Which of these fractions divided by 2/10 results in 5/8? A. 1/8, B. 8/25, C. 4/5, D. 25/8. Number 6. Which of the following statements is true? F. Negative 85,209 is greater than 64,000. G. 0 is less than negative 14. H. Negative 60 is greater than negative 6. J. Negative 6 is less than 0. Number 7. At a pizza party, each student eats 3/16 of a whole pizza. Which expression matches this fraction? A. 3 plus 1/6. B. 3 divided by 16. C. 16 divided by 3. D. 1 plus 3/6. Number 8. When a whole number greater than 1 is multiplied by a positive fraction less than 1, which of the following is always true? The product is less than the whole number. G. The product is less than the fraction. H. The product is greater than the whole number. J. The product is a negative number. Number 9. Which of the following lists the numbers in order from greatest to least? A. Negative 301, negative 31, negative 1, 0. B. Negative 1, negative 31, negative 301, 0. C. 0, negative 301, negative 31, negative 1. D. 0, negative 1, negative 31, negative 301. Number 10. What is the value of 8 times 1/8? F. 1. G. 8. H. 8 and 1/8. J. 64. Number 11. Let X denote the number 0. Let W be the set of whole numbers, and let I be the set of integers. Which diagram best shows how X, W, and I are related? Number 12. On the number line below, X and Y represent numbers, and the distance D between X and 0 is the same as the distance between 0 and Y. Which of these is true? F. Y equals negative X. G. The opposite of X is negative Y. H. The opposite of Y is negative X. J. Y equals X. Number 13. Which of these is the same as negative, 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 negative 14? A. Negative 14. B. Negative 1/14. C. 1/14. D. 14. Number 14. Which of the following numbers, when multiplied by 5/14, is equal to 1? F. 75/100. G. 1 1/10. H. 1 4/10. J. 2 8/10. Number 15. Which of these is the opposite of negative 1/7? A. 7. B. 1 (-7). C. -7. D. negative, 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 -1/7. Which of these expressions is equal to 81 divided by 3? F. 81 times 1/3. G. 3 times 1/81. H. 3 divided by 1/81. J. 81 divided by 1/3. Which of these expressions is equal to 2 times 125 thousandths? A. 8 times 5/10. B. 25 hundredths divided by 8. C. 2 divided by 8. D. 8 divided by 2. 18. Which of the following stories represents the fraction 16/5? F. 5 people each earn $16 at a car wash. G. 16 people share 5 slices of pizza. H. 5 people share 16 slices of pizza. J. 16 people each earn $5 at a car wash. (19) 3 coworkers split 5 cookies evenly among themselves. The amount of cookies each person receives is equal to the expression below. 1 plus 2 divided by 3. Which of the following is equal to this expression? A. 3/5. B. 12/3. C. 5/3. D. 3/3. 20. If 1/2 is multiplied by 5/8, the result will be F. Less than 1/2. G. Greater than 1. H. Less than 0. J. Between 1/2 and 1. 21. Which of these expressions is equal to 1/45 times 9? A. 1/9 times 45. B. 45 times 9/1. C. 45 divided by 9. D. 1/45 divided by 1/9. You have reached the end of your first 6 weeks curriculum check. Please listen to this video again if you need any questions reread to you. When you are finished, please enter your test into DMAC and turn your test in to your teacher.